Morning, everybody. Well, we got about 2 or 3 inches of snow there down there on the ground. That means we gotta push it with the good old 8770. She's rolled over 10,000 hours now. 10,030. I guess it won't show the 10. It just only probably doesn't have that many digits. So 9999 and then 30. It starts counting up again. I'm going to try to show you the smoke pipe as I start it. You can get some smoke. It's not that cold, so it should start pretty easy. Oh, darn it. Don't you just love that? Yesterday, I was walking down the yard there and stepped on some ice, and one foot went right out from under me, and then landed. Well, this leg wasn't expecting to hold me up when this foot came out from under me, so it twisted my knee real good. It hurt. So I might have to use this right foot to push in the clutch if it gets too painful. Anyways, we'll let her warm up here a minute, and then we'll idle her up. This thing's due for an oil change, so I need to do that one of these days. Or somebody will. Now if I do, I'm going to try to remember to reset this hour thing. Let's see. Probably just have to hold this down or something, or do that. Well, I'll do that. Or no, that's acres an hour, I think. Yeah, that's the service. So I'm guessing you probably just hold it down to reset it. I'm sure it's not that hard to figure out. Alright, let's get her up onto high idle here. Get her warming up a little faster. What those instructions say you to do anyway. And it doesn't have a thermostat in it, so the heater doesn't get warm. And the gauge don't come up either. I've told them they need to put a thermostat in it, but they're not on their high priority list. Well, gotta let this warm up for another minute or two, and then I'm gonna start pushing snow, and so I'll see you later. If you like this video, comment, rate, and subscribe.